Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Steph Dorworth, physical therapist and certified strength and conditioning coach. I'm here today with my Top Fitness to share with you all how to use a massage gun. Now, massage guns are really helpful for helping to increase blood flow and circulation to your muscles, to reduce inflammation, and perhaps reduce any pain or soreness you may feel in your muscles. They're great to use on a daily or even weekly basis, and today I want to teach you exactly how to use one. I'll be demonstrating with the Ekrin Massage Gun. So with any massage gun, first you're going to turn it on and start with it at the lowest level intensity, especially if you're new to using massage guns. All right, no need to go all the way to the highest level at first. Start slow, and then when you are massaging the muscles, you can either do them in a relaxed position or you can put them in a slightly stretched position. So for example, for the biceps here, I wouldn't want to be flexing while doing the massage gun, right? Let them just kind of relax or even put them back on a slight stretch. And then use this for just about a minute or two at first. Over time, you can build up the duration and the intensity that you use the massage gun with. If you wanted to massage out your calves, you could just relax your leg, or you could put those gastrocnemius on a slight stretch by dorsiflexing the ankle and then massaging throughout. If you have any education on anatomy, it's also a good idea to keep in mind the origin and insertion of the muscle. So instead of just hitting right in the muscle belly, you could work all the way up at the origin where the muscle starts and move all the way down to the insertion where it finishes, working the entire length of the muscle. Another thing is there's no need to just stay on one spot for too long. Move around, hit different areas, and if you find a spot that's really tight and tense, you can kind of put a little bit more pressure or push into it a little bit more with the massage gun to work it out even more. And when you're done using massage gun or getting any type of massage, it's important to hydrate really well. So be sure you drink a lot of water afterwards. So as you can see, you can use the massage gun on all the muscles throughout your body, whatever feels good for you. Just make sure that you use a pressure and intensity that feels comfortable for you.